Hello, class of EDUU 520A. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal entry number 4 for the course. In this journal, I will be discussing strategies and ideas for each of the 4 components of specialized design academic instruction in English, or what is also called shelter instruction, as it relates to my topic of week 8. SDAIE consists of instruction that is rich and meaningful in language and contains content that aids in the English language acquisition. It has 4 components. They include content, connection, comprehensibility, and interactions. I have chosen for my week 8, I have chosen second grade level for my integrated content assignment, and I'll be focusing on either science or physical science content. For the content component, I want to make sure that I incorporate multimodal instruction, which will help me in supporting my students' different types of learning styles, as well as ensure that I meet the ELD and ELA standards. One idea that I have is to teach about the state of matter, which is a part of the second grade level curriculum. I'll be using rework passages because they can be differentiated and they offer text-to-speech. One strategy to help students build connection is by building prior knowledge. So I'll be making sure that I do that within my topic. For instance, I'll be using KWL charts to allow students to express what they know about solids, liquids, and gas before, during, and after. Also by helping my students connect to real-life examples like water, ice, and vapor. All students have been exposed to this kind of information. And I'm pretty sure that they have seen it. So this is one way that I can help my students connect. It is important for the students to know that that they are all different types of matter. Another connection can be by classification of different state of matter objects. So that's something that I'm also going to be incorporating. Some strategies for comprehensibility with this topic include word detective, which consists of brief teacher-like activity where students investigate word parts in the context of the reading article or the passage. Also using vocabulary and academic language that is easy for students to understand. Showing a video clip to help my students deepen their understanding. Incorporating a hands-on experiment, which will allow the students to be active learners. Modeling for students and asking frequent questions, both open and close-ended questions, to make sure that all students are comprehending the content. I can also provide visuals and graphic organizers, and realia for classification activities of the 3 different states of matter. To further discuss, I can also help my students implement brainstorming ideas and how we do that with graphic organizers. As for interactions, some strategies that I've been thinking to applying is collaborative learning discussions, allowing students to have plenty of time to think, pair, shared, and discuss with others what they're thinking. Having a hands-on experiment, like for example an oblique mixture, which is water and cornstarch, where students can see that that the mixture can behave like a liquid and a solid. Also, by giving students plenty of time to respond, maybe providing them with a hand gesture or signal that they can show me when they are ready to answer questions or share with the group. So this is something that I'll probably be discussing with them prior to to asking them. That way the students will feel a little bit more comfortable when they are sharing. And that's all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.